Join me as I challenge myself to create some stunning cards using just a laminator and some flashcards from Pajama Crafter Stamps to create some stunning foiled cards today. In today's video, we're going to explore how to create some stunning cards using flashcards from Pajama Crafter Stamps, a laminator, and some deco foil. Let's get into it. Many crafters struggle with achieving professional foiled looks without super expensive equipment or tons and tons of expensive supplies. But Pajama Crafter Stamps has made it super easy. All you're going to need is a laminator, the flashcards. I have 3 different sets here. I have the all occasion set, the holiday greetings set, and this one, I don't remember the name of it. I'll have it listed above and below the supply list, but it's more of a beachy theme. But I have that, and I got the MINC machine. The mini MINC was just as much as a laminator, so I just recently purchased that. You're also going to need for this some deco foil, and you want the ones that say for laminating machines. You don't want hot foil, you want deco foil. Or you can also buy big huge rolls from companies so that you could use that. These are super huge. Let's see. That's pretty much all you're going to need. So we're going to make a few cards. So let's pick out a flashcard from the holiday greeting set. And these there's I think 2 of each of the same design. And then I believe there are some that are landscape also. So we'll go ahead and kind of look at these. Some just sentiments, some images with sentiments. We have a Happy Hanukkah with the dreidel, another Happy Hanukkah. Beautiful scene here, and these are made so that they can work with the deco foils so that we can make some beautiful cards. And these are cut down to a card front size. They're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So let's see. We want to use that one. Some of the flashcards have landscape and portraits in them. These just have the portrait style. I think we're gonna do that one. And you can use these for different things as well. Like you can ink blend on top of them. I'm just gonna pick out a few. And take our deco foil here. I have a piece of silver. I'm gonna use this. I do have my MINC machine heated up. Laminator takes a little bit longer. So that's something to think about. We're going to take and put in our little card front into our carrier sheet, and we're going to put in our foil. If I can get it in there. Now you can also, I'll show you another trick in just a minute. So we're going to go ahead and run that through. It just takes a few minutes. You can see it just runs right through. The great news though with these products is that you can use the laminator or the MINC machine and the flashcards with your deco foil and get beautiful results with just a minimal supplies. There's also a couple other different flashcards on the website, and they're always coming out with different designs. So we're going to do this one first. I'm just running it through a second time because I noticed some little bubbling and I wanted to make sure that it was foiled correctly. So we're just going to run that through again just to be safe. out. out. We're going to kind of cool it off just a minute. I have a beautiful foiled background that I can use for a card front. We're going to set that to the side. And you're going to save this because we're going to use, I'll show you what to do with the rest of that in another video. All right, for our next one, let's do this one where it says Happy Holidays. Now, you might want to take a Swiffer cloth and kind of brush that off. And also you can Swiffer the back of your foil if you wanted to. That way nothing gets and this machine takes super quick to heat up. Unlike other laminators, they take a little while. Like my other laminator I had, it would say it's ready and it's not. So I would have to let it heat up a lot longer. See if you have any that doesn't really foil very well. We'll line this back up and run it through again to see if we can get a little bit more foil on there. One of the great things about this though is there's tons of different color foils out there you could do. So you can customize it to whatever you want your cards to look like. Yeah, see I picked up the foil that didn't foil the first time. I just picked that back up. I'm gonna take this one. And I'm gonna take my foil here. And we will trim this down a little bit. I'm just going to trim this. I really just want it to fit where right over my tree. And I'm going to take a piece of the pink here. That. Stick that back in our carrier sheet. And I'll run this through. And remember your foils do come in big sheets, so you do want to cut them down a little bit. Out. Go ahead and get this one ready. That's running through. I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. There's our little Happy Holidays with two different colors. As you can see, this is what happens when you do something you're not supposed to. You get the little mess ups. So we're just going to cut this down. I have another carrier sheet somewhere. I just don't know where it is. So you may be wondering why we all love foiling so much. It's the beautiful results that you get. Super beautiful results. You get that beautiful shine on your projects. It just makes everything beautiful. There's just something about that beautiful shine you get on your handmade cards when you add a little bit of foil. So we're going to run these last two through and I'll show you the finished panels. And then you can find out how to find out how I turn these into cards over on the blog, and I will show you that then. So pretty. Here are the cards that I made today, or card fronts that I've done today, and you can see how I turn these into cards over on the blog. In today's video, I shared how to create some stunning foiled cards using minimum supplies. If you like this video, you're probably gonna like the one coming up next. Stay crafty. Love you.